Guys, welcome to my channel Mateo ABC English, and today I want to show you how to resolve mathematical reasoning problems, and this is the 8th video, so let's get started. The question says like this: Emma sticks enough regular tetrahedron on a regular octahedron to completely cover it. How many faces does the resulting polyhedron have? So I encourage you guys to pause the video and try to figure it out. As you know, an octahedron is a solid shape whose 8 faces are triangles of equal size. So we have a equilateral triangle. So this side is A, and the angles are equal. On the other side, a tetrahedron is a solid shape whose 4 faces are triangles of equal size. So we have, in order to stick together, we have that this side of the equilateral triangle will be AA, the same as this, no? A octahedron has 8 faces, and a tetrahedron has 4 faces. So we need to put our attention on one side, and if we have to stick together with a tetrahedron, this we put here resistor, and the other sides will be outside. So this is one side, this is one side, and the other behind those is another side. So for each face of an octahedron, we have 3 resulting faces. We have a product that we need to multiply 8 faces of an octahedron times 3. And this is equal to 24. So the resulting polyhedron will have 24 faces. And this is the answer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment and subscribe to this channel, and click on the bell so you can receive the new notifications. I hope you guys to see you in my next videos on Mateo ABC English. Bye!